I'm at that stage that we're just zapping up the bond breaker bandage. We've done the polyurethane bond breaker. Now I'm putting a bandage over everything. Always remember, DIYs, that if you don't do your waterproof properly, you're wasting your time tiling your bathroom. Okay, think about it. So do your waterproofing properly. Notice how I had bandage up here and I've gone over it because any water is flowing, see my finger? That way. It runs down. So you always overlap that way. And always give your waterproof something to your bandage something to stick to, as in put a coat on like that and you laugh and see, just like that, see? Just like that. Oh, there. God, I couldn't see it. Far out. Must be going blind. No, I'm not. I just painted over it nicely, or waterproofed over it, not paint. I couldn't see the end of my bandage, people. That's beautiful. Right, I go down, I've done there, I go down here. We'll see you soon. It's just it's just a process, and you go through each stage of waterproofing, people, and you can't go wrong. If you try and skimp or stuff it somewhere, you're going to be wasting your time. Don't tile it. If you haven't waterproofed it properly, don't tile it. This is Chris O. Follow my instructions, please, and you will be laughing. You'll be home and hose. See you soon.